Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine and safe and completing all the tasks assigned to you by different teachers. Dear students, I think you have completed all the assignments given to you previously from the different chapters that we have learned from the syllabus for the month of April and May. Dear students, today we will learn how to write notice. So before learning it, let us know what is notice. As you can see in the screen, a notice is a medium to convey a message or pass information to large number of people together at the same time. Now, dear students, there are some points which we must remember while we write a notice. So the first and most important thing, while we begin writing the notice, the name of the organization, institution, issuing authority, school or society, the name is to be written on the top of the page. Number 2, after writing the name of the institution or school, we will write the word notice, Notice. Each letter should be in capital. Then write date at the left hand side. And number 4, the subject or the heading, for what purpose are you writing the notice. Then in number 5, that is the main body of the notice, here we must keep in mind all the points, that is the purpose of writing the notice, date, time, place and other details which are relevant to it, so that our purpose of writing the notice should be clear. Then number 6, here the name and designation of the person should be written, that is signature and designation. Who is he? That is, who is he? Either he is a principal, student, that is his designation. Now, dear students, you can see on the screen the format of the notice. See, the name of the school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Khariyar, and below the address of the school is written, then notice in capital, then date on the left hand side, then subject accordingly, whatever the question you find, accordingly you will write the subject. And a notice can be begun by writing either this is to inform to all, this is hereby informed to all, it is hereby notified to all. Either of these you can choose one for beginning the notice. And other details, purpose, reason, date, time, place and other details you will include in the body of the notice. Then signature of the person who is writing the notice, either the student is writing, principal is writing, or any person who is issuing the notice, and then his designation, that who is he. Is he a principal? Is he a student? Or is he secretary, president? Whoever is he, in place of designation, that should be written. Now moving on to the next page, that is a sample. That is a sample. Suppose you are given a question. You are Raju Riya, reading in class 6 in KV Khariyar. You have lost your tiffin box. Write a notice for it. So here is the sample for you. How will you write the notice? See, the name of the school or institution is written on the top of the page. Kendriya Vidyalaya Khariyar. Address of the school, Khariyar, Nuapada, Odisha. Then the word notice, each letter should be in capital. NOTICE. Then date 25th of April 2020. The left hand. Then subject, lost tiffin box. Subject, you should keep in mind that subject is written according to the question. And here, then after subject begins the main body of the notice. So I have already told you that you can start either by writing this is to inform to all, this is hereby informed to all, it is hereby notified to all. Either of these three you can write only one. I have given you all the three. You can choose any one of these three. That I have lost my tiffin box during the tiffin around 11:30 AM on 24th April 2020. Somewhere in the playground. It is of green color in round shape of Milton brand. Whoever finds it, please return to me or in principal's office. Everybody in the school would appreciate his honesty and goodwill. So, the students, as you got the question, you are Raju Riya, reading in class 6 in KV Khariyar. You have lost your tiffin box. Write a notice for it. So, this is the sample for that question. You can see the very format, the points which you were told to remember, the name of the institution on the top of the page, then address of the institution, the word notice in capital, date at the left hand side, subject according to the question, then in main body, the reason, the date, time, place and other relevant details have been given in the main body of the notice. Then you can see signature Raju, as the name has already been given in the question, so you will have to write that name only. Then designation, you are studying in class 6, your roll number is 10. That is it. I hope you have understood. So here is a homework for you. You will follow all the points that you have learned in different slides. This you will do today itself. Your homework is, suppose you are Ram, Sita, so your signature will be either Ram or Sita. For girls Sita and for boys Ram. Reading in class 6 in KV Khariyar. You have lost your wristwatch while playing in the ground. Write a notice for it. So the students, please see the sample of the question and then follow it properly. Thank you.